Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we're going to open some.
Destin Rivals, we are searching for Misty Psyduck.
And nakasakto tayo sa isa pang restock. So, unfortunately, dati 2 items, ngayon 1 item na lang daw per customer. So, yun lang.
What if we just buy every day?
Wala naman everyday. Anyway, so that's it. Ang tanong ay, bubuksan ba o itatago pang habang buhay? Ang sagot,
yes.
bubuksan natin. Ano bang yes? Okay, buksan na natin to. This is 1,156. The year nabili namin siya is July 13, 2025. Alright. So hunt lang ng hunt. Punta lang ng punta kung saan saan. Tanong ng tanong. Hanggang mainis na yung mga tao kakatanong mo palagi o araw-araw mo tinatanong pag napapadahan ka ng...
That's true. Every day. Every second.
Every day naman. Every day. Hindi naman every day. Minsan every other day.
Are you sure about that?
Bago umuwi.
Pack battle.
Okay, pack battle. Again, this is Destin Rival. This is the last set for Scarlet and Violet.
Destin Rival looks like it's a
Ito sa akin. Alright.
Why does Destin Rival looks like
okay, 2v2.
Papers.
2 packs. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng ating sleeves.
Papers.
Sige.
I hope we get Misty
Ang hirap,
Psyduck.
araw-araw ka nagtatanong, isang galit na sa yung tinatanungan mo kasi araw-araw na lang, may Pokemon na po ba kayo, may restock na po ba kayo. Minsan galit na sila, masama na tingin. Yung iba, may isang empleyado na sama na tingin sa akin, kakatanong eh. Pero bahala siya. At ako araw-araw nagtatanong, yun nga lang. Eh malay mo 'to, ba? Hindi mo alam eh. Hirap bumili ngayon eh.
Wait, I know a card trick.
Hindi, walang card trick
No,
yan.
just put 1 to guess the energy.
Sige.
Guess the
energy. Guess the energy. Ako, leaf.
Ako, water. Oh,
Wala.
psychic. Wrong.
Yan. Gawin natin yan.
Meditite. Wash Rotom. Ennis Hype. Team Rocket for Gun 2. Is this a balloon or something?
Ano yan? Digital yan. So, artificial
Arcane.
made na Pokemon.
Arcane. Team Rocket Garbani.
Giovanni.
Spirit Bomb.
Spirit.
Universal.
Kung may bihit, yan. Wala.
Oh!
We need that. We need that.
Nice.
Ganda ng ano yun.
EX.
Okay, my turn.
Why did we put the EX in a special pot show?
Sige.
Because they're special.
Oh yeah, pwede naman.
In the middle. Put all hits are in the middle.
Naalala ko, Andre, nung panahon na bata pa ako, ang Pokemon hindi nauubos eh.
Yeah.
As in, minsan walang bumibili. Nandyan lang siya
Because
palagi.
they don't like it.
No.
Guess the code.
Ano sa'yo?
Water type.
Water type din ako. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fighting. Anyway, Torchic. Dati, before pandemic, ang Pokemon,
Wait a minute. That is Rotom, right?
Yeah.
Why are they
Iba yan, Wash Rotom. Ang Pokemon dati, Andre,
Are they both different Pokemons? Or it's just an evolution?
Nagaano na ng mga dust. Wala masyadong bumibili ng Pokemon nun eh. Carbink, Mimikyu, Sinchas Power Weight, Mach Team Rocket's Mach.
And
Mix the Psyduck lang po. Wala.
Normal
And,
EX. Base skin.
It's okay.
I think I still got an EX,
It's okay.
right?
We need, hindi yung EX, pero we need that
No, I
rare.
think we got this EX.
We need that rare. Mrs. Psyduck na illustration rare lang. Yun nga na alala ko. Talagang nandyan lang siya, hindi siya nauubos. Kasing uy. Ano ba? Ba't pinakita?
No. What?
Oh, wait lang. Baliktad mo.
Oh.
Water.
Electric.
Okay, ako water.
Kasi we keep losing. Electrobus. Gible.
Gibble.
Shark Kami.
Skarmory.
Wait. Oh, it's still type. Hey, look!
Okay. Kailangan yata natin.
You know what? Recently Rocket Petrol. Oprobus.
Alala ko dati talagang walang ano eh. Tapos nung nag-25,
Ay.
ang Evolving Skies dati, nandyan dami lang eh.
Daddy.
Wala. It's regular EX. Wala rin.
Okay.
Anyway, last pack magic. Last pack magic. Sige na, kasi ewan ko, umakapokus po tayo kasi wala na tayong bubuksan.
Should we still open more Destin Rivals by buying more?
Kung makabili. Eh, yung problema, makabili ka ba?
Ay, import. Kinda hard.
Ah,
Guess the code card. Guess the energy.
Water.
Fighting.
Oy! Water!
Come on!
Yes!
Wait, if you guess the energy,
Uy, may nakikita ko.
does that mean...
May nakikita ko! May nakikita kong kumikinang sa
Maybe
dulo.
that's an EX.
Dipple,
I
Electrite,
already have that. Burn.
Talo,
Let's call them burn.
Slugma,
Fire.
Mimikyu na naman, Siege's Power Rate na naman, Mach na naman, okay na.
And
Team Rocket Puputar, wala.
Normal EX.
Baka rare lang to.
EX.
Eh.
You said it's a EX.
Eh. Sabi ko may nakikita akong kumikinang.
That's true.
Anyway. Well, excuse
How to
me.
get holding?
Alright. So, out of 4 packs, only 1 hit.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
When
Only
we
1 hit.
when we open this,
Uy, wait lang oh. Error oh.
what?
Error oh.
That's normal.
No, error. Ayun oh. Ito, na ano ng pandikit oh. Isang error card.
Ay, sure.
Ayun oh. Hawakan mo. Oh, diba?
There's something.
Wait a minute. Oh, yan nga.
Just remove.
Hindi yan ano, error yan oh. May error oh. Yung
Wait,
para
if it's
dapat
an error, that means it increases the value.
yeah, pero sa likod wala eh. Sa harap yung ano, yung parang etong makintab dito na punta oh.
Maybe that's damage.
Insure natin to mamaya. Damage nga. Error card nga. Ayun oh, dapat wala yan eh. Dapat ito oh. Yung pandikit, dapat andito banda yan.
Wait a minute. I got something. When we open
Anyway.
when we open the first pack, we got 1 EX. The second one, we got a 2 EX. The third one, we got a full art or illustration rare. So if we keep opening those way, maybe we could get Misty Psyduck in the third of
Hopefully,
this.
but ito error to, may damage or error card siya eh. Oh. Ito, gumanon dito. Gumanon dito yung ano niya. Anyway, that's it for this time. For Destin Rival Pack, 1 hit lang. Anyway, I'm Michael.
Andre,
Hey, bakit ba? When we just open some.
Pokemon, show our EX.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.